Okay, boys and girls, so it is Wednesday. It is April 22nd. Your reading lesson for Unit 9, Lesson 15. First thing we're going to do is segment. That's actually a decodable word for you. It's a big decodable word, but you could actually decode that. Segment. And that's a sight word. Words. Segment words using those segment fingers. All right, second, read, right, and act, that's another decodable word, out, wiggle, phrases. That means I'm going to give you some wiggle phrases. Remember, they're not sentences, no capital letters or punctuation. It's not a complete thought, but you have to read it and then show it to somebody in your room there. All right, third, review, look over, sight words, words we need to know by seeing. And then exit ticket. All right, I'll leave that for last. All right, get your segmenting fist out. All right, first word. Say bunny. Ready? B-U-N-E. Bunny. Tadpole. Ready? T-A-D-P-O-L-E. Tadpole. Duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Piglet. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet. Last one. Gosling. G-O-S-L-I-N-G. Gosling. All right, we did these words before. What are they? Bunny, tadpole, duckling, piglet, gosling. Did you say baby animals? Oops, my marker is running out. Did you say baby animals? You got it. They're all like the baby form of a bigger animal. A bunny is a baby rabbit. A tadpole is a baby frog. What's a duckling? Yep, baby duck. A piglet. A baby pig. What about a gosling? No, it's not a baby moose. It's a baby goose. All right, let's move on to our wiggle phrases. Is to read it and then show somebody in your room that you know what it means. All right, go ahead. Reading it. Go ahead. Okay, now show somebody. Okay, did you lift one hand? Good. All right, go ahead, read this and show your grown-up or somebody in your room what it means. Press pause while you do that. All right, since you already nodded yes, let's move on to the next one. Go ahead, blend it if you need it, read it. Don't let your grown-up tell you what it says. You are smart. Okay, and show your grown-up what it is, but press pause before you show them that. Okay, you were already clapping hands. Now time to do this. And if it's not there, then do it to somebody else in the room. And any song will do. All right, so press pause to do that. Make sure you're singing in a nice voice or a silly voice. All right, hopefully you sang a nice song to Mom or whoever else was in the room. All right, last one, and be loud. Okay, so you can press pause if you want, or you can just go ahead and do it. I hope you don't scare anybody though. All right, did you do it? Did you yell the word yes? Yes! All right, let's go review some sight words. Okay, the magic star is going to point to a word. You can say it in a big voice. Ready? Right. Why? Once. Like once upon a time. Right. When? Yeah, said. Like Mom said. Pick up your toys. Says. Right. I know sometimes you want to say says, but we're going to use that word says. Like Mom says, we have to clean up our room. Where? I forget. Did we do this one? Well, if we did, say it again. When? All right, let's pull out a few more. Okay, I have 6 more. Okay, this one is part of the word that is in our Humpty Dumpty poem for the week, that word wall. And we saw this in the Humpty Dumpty poem. It is all. Right, witch. And that doesn't mean like a Halloween witch. Remember, like, which type of pizza do you like best? Pepperoni or mushroom? Mrs. Hannigan's going with pepperoni, by the way. Right. What? So. Word. From. Good job. All right. Are you ready to move on to the exit ticket? Remember, you have to use the microphone to give me your answer when you're doing your reading part of Seesaw activities, okay? Here comes your exit ticket. It's going to be about dun, 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 adjectives, describing words. Ready? Okay, so remember, yesterday our one lesson had to do with adjectives, and we know adjectives are words that can describe something. They can tell us the color of it, the size of it. They tell us lots of different things that give us a better idea of what it looks like. So your job is to read the sentence. It's totally readable for you. It's either decodable words or sight words. And in my sentence, there are 2 words that are adjectives. They're describing something. So your job is to use the microphone on Seesaw and tell me what the adjectives are. So, reading the sentence, you can press pause and leave it up there. And then use the microphone when you're all done your reading. And I'm going to show you what your reading pages look like in a minute. But then tell me the adjectives. All right, my smart scholars, I will show you what your work looks like now. Okay, so you have 2 pages of mark the phrase, or mark the sentence, actually. These are sentences and not phrases. They're whole thoughts, starting with capital letters, ending with punctuation marks. So you have to read each sentence and put either an X in the box or a check in the box that describes what the picture is. So you have that page and another page. And then we have some tricky word sentences. So you have to use the words which, once, and says to fill in your sentences. Do your best work. Try not to get your grown-up to tell you what the word is. They're all words you know. And one more page using the words so, said, and one. All right, go get 'em, smarty pants.